Did you know that you can make up a schedule, make up a story, make up a lesson, make up a room, and even make up with someone? Make up is one of those interesting phrasal verbs in English because it has a number of meanings and uses. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at 7 of these. Knowing this vocabulary is going to help you use English more naturally. Let's study together. Hello and welcome to this English phrasal verb lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to study English here with me today. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at 7 different ways that we use the phrasal verb make up. First of all, make up has the meaning of creating or composing something. And when we use make up with this meaning, it often means writing something down or typing. I need to make up my schedule for next month. Brad in the marketing department made up a sketch of the new company logo. It looks pretty good. In a similar way, we use make up when someone creates or invents a story, which is usually fiction. I wonder what kind of an excuse Jack is going to make up for coming to the office late again today. When I was a kid, I was pretty good at making up stories. We also use make up when we talk about the parts of something. In this situation, we often say that something is made up of something else. 1 year is made up of 365 days. This driver's license course is made up of 3 hours of classroom instruction plus 2 hours of actual driving. We also use make up to talk about putting on cosmetics or a costume. In this movie, all of the actors are made up to look like people from the 17th century. Well, it seems like all of the girls are made up and ready to go to the dance club. Next, we use make up when we talk about compensating for lost time or lost lessons, like in school. So listen, I'm sorry, but I can't take the exam tomorrow. Is there any way possible I could make it up? Kim goes to a language school and they don't allow the students to make up any missed lessons. We also use make up when people resolve their differences after an argument. I was glad to hear that Jack and his wife made up. They're such a nice couple. Oh, that company went bankrupt because the 2 business partners were never able to make up. And finally, make up means to set a room or an area in order. In this hotel, checkout time is 10 a.m. because the rooms need to be made up by noon. When Tommy started working remotely, he made up a small office in a spare bedroom in his house. Keep in mind, the best way to remember vocabulary is to take the word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. You can also take those sentences and drop them in the comments below. I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.